The Raptors trying to get a win on Super Bowl Sunday. And they're 5 games ahead of the Cavs in the standings. They're second in the East, 2 games out from first place. Still a lot of season left, but they've been playing pretty good. There's a good chance that they can hold on to those seedings, especially with the way that the Cavs have been struggling this season. DeRozan gets into the lane, and the bench for the Raptors is really the story. Everybody decided to show up on Sunday. 6 players scored in double digits. 3 starters and 3 off the bench. Grizzlies really never got it going tonight. They're giving up layups. They're giving up all types of shots. Threes are falling. Even when they help, it doesn't matter. They're getting Euro stepped out of the way. Blocks on the other end. Raptors fighting for those 50-50 balls. Very easy win tonight. They're going to hold on to second place for now. He must be terrified of these hands. Oh! Are you serious? No. Oh, he's down already. I got a knockdown. Can I knock him down in a minute? Oh, the uppercut as he goes for the takedown. These new kicks are too smooth. What a chinny ass. No, I will not let you grab